for you today. Here's my boss, Walter Lance.
Hi there. I hope you enjoy the cartoons we're going to show you. Later in this show, I'm going to tell you how these cartoons are made.
The Woody Woodpecker Show has been brought to you by Kellogg's, the greatest name in cereal.
I hope you enjoyed yourselves today. Be sure to be with us next time. Goodbye now.
And tell your friends about our show. My birthday dog!